Hey guys, what is up? Welcome to TSO Crypto, your home for Crypto TA. I am your host Martin. It's a pleasure being here with you tonight. We're gonna be discussing why Bitcoin crashed. Hey man, it's good to be back. If you're catching this from live, welcome. And if you're catching the replay and have any suggestions for us, leave us a comment below. I really want to know what you're thinking. Also, if you want to be up to date with the latest crypto-related news and technicals, make sure to subscribe and hit the like button and that bell so you're notified when we go live. And if you want to keep on chatting with us, whenever our stream is done, join us on the Discord. I'm going to send the link right now. I got to get a new link. I forgot to get that one. So, brand new link copied, and we're just going to post it here, right? So, Discord at the top. Let's see who's in the house. Let's see who is in the house. Andrew! What's the CBA, Andrew? What's up, dude? Jeff Loomis, hey. TSO Crypto, NKN, Elon. All right, cool. So let me write those down. I know there's a pre-stream request. I haven't looked at them, but let me get the pre-stream. There was donators. All right, Polkadot. So I'll just say dot. And then we're gonna jump on to ADA. ADA and what else are we gonna be doing, man? NKN, Elon. I think that's so far for the request. Kato, what's up? Room for War, what's up? I was missed. Thank you, man. Much appreciated. Jack says Rockets. Cryptoningo says hey. Soka says yo. May says chicken egg, I guess. I'm not sure. And Elon says what's up. Cheers, guys. I have good news and, well, not so good news, I guess. Conference was really good. A lot of fun. Saw a lot of clients. I'm really tired from that. It's hell, man. You wake up really early to have breakfast with people. You end up going to bed at 2, sometimes 3 in the morning. I only had one day when I was able to do stuff. I tried to jump here on the Discord live, but I guess some of you guys were not here, and that's fine. And I ended up posting just what was going to happen with Bitcoin. I did try to go live from the hotel. Yeah, I recorded a video on the laptop, but for some reason the sound did not record onto the video. And I was by then too tired, so I just had to go to bed. I posted, I tried to jump on the Discord so I could do a small live there. Because I was not sure why the video was not going out through the OBS on the laptop. And then, I just said, I'm just going to post the images and that's it. But, bad news. Well, not so bad news. It's just delaying news. I'm going to be out of town next week. On the conference, one of the clients called and said they need an urgent meeting with me and our technical people. So we're flying people last minute from Peru. They're arriving tomorrow. Got to go pick them up at the airport. And then we're flying out on Sunday to Chihuahua in the northern part of Mexico to visit a mine site. And I'm going to be visiting 3 mine sites and a lab. But it's just basically full-on traveling for next week. So I'm going to be leaving on Sunday and I'm going to be coming back on Friday, maybe, depending on what time we finish the plant visit. They still have not gotten me an actual date that the visit is over. So we're thinking right now Friday's going to be over. They say fly back to Mexico City on Friday. But we don't have a time, so we might not be able to catch a flight until Saturday. It's still a little bit up in the air. So I'm going to be, yeah, it's going to be interesting. I'm not going to be here next week. So, really important that you're in the Discord. Because that's where I'm going to be able to communicate with you guys. Internet is not going to be good where I'm going to be at. It's mine sites. I'm going to be lucky if the internet's, 2 or 3 megs. The mines, they use satellite internet and they use it only for business. And then, everything else is secondary. So, at least providers like us, we're not going to get the best internet. So I'm not going to be able to be streaming, right? Just to let you guys know. Next week I'm out. Not that I want to. And like I said, I really wish I could turn this into my my full-time gig. But until then, man, this other work pays the bills, and I have to go where I'm told to. So I'm gonna be out of town next week. So we'll see how things go there, right? Anyways, let's keep moving. Let's get to the charts. Thank you all for being here. Arthur, thank you for being here, man. Right on. Cheers, by the way. Bitcoin market cap also going down, right? Why is the market cap going down? Thanks, man. I'm gonna be visiting places I forgot, I guess. Santa Barbara near Parral, San Martin, Sombrerete, Charcas mine. There are a couple of good big mines from Grupo Mexico. They own a Sarco mine, Sarco mines in Arizona. So that's gonna be interesting. That's gonna be an interesting trip. I'm gonna be going into the underground mines. I haven't been into an underground mine in a long time. So that's gonna be definitely interesting. Anyways, let's get to market cap. Where are we at, man? We're moving down. Why? Because we had bearish divergence. We had strong bearish divergence, right, against the RSI here on the longer term, and then we have this strong bearish divergence against the MACD on a shorter term. And we knew there was a chance we were going to go down, right? We were talking about pullback. We were talking about consolidation. That's what we're getting. We're going down, hitting the previous 100% high, still holding on above it, which is good. But we hit the target, right? The target was here, 2.49, 2.45 or whatever. We called out for that one, I think. I might have talked about it when we were going here, maybe before the stream ended, or maybe I talked about it in the video that I was not able to upload. But I remember talking about it because I charted this for the video. So we went down, hit targets. That's fine. Nothing wrong with that. Hitting targets, bouncing. We're still at areas above that previous 100% high. That's fine. I mean, we're consolidating. We have not gone to a 20 moving average. We can move sideways for a bit, and the 20 moving average will catch up to us, and we'll see if we can find support. Now, let's go check out Bitcoin dominance real quick. Bitcoin dominance. Where's it at? 45.30% of market cap. Bitcoin has been losing dominance. It's at its 20 moving average. If we're looking for a bounce, that means Bitcoin's going to pick up dominance. How can it pick up dominance? Well, alts can drop and Bitcoin can drop less. I'll pick up dominance. Alts could pump, but Bitcoin can pump more. I'll pick up dominance. Bitcoin can pump and alts can drop. Bitcoin will still pick up dominance. That's how you pick up dominance, right? Does not necessarily correlate to positive price action. on that note, let's go and move on to the Bitcoin. Bitcoin's trying to move up right now, $61,141. Where do we go? Man, we lost the $61,195. We talked about going to that area. If we drop there, next target is going to be at $59,262. We did hit here on the low, the 60,000 on the dot, right, today, and we bounced from there. It's fine. I think there's an anomaly, though, on this chart. So we're going to talk about that, why that is that in a second. We can look at this chart. Did we go to that 60,000? We didn't. Right, low, 59. So, yeah. All right, cool. We got those lows. All right. 60,000 on the dot, this chart. Bouncing, still below resistance, right? So is there a chance that we can bounce? We are not creating anything bullish yet. Low point, higher point, negative, less negative, low to high. Nothing bullish. So we got to keep on looking at this consolidation. Last thing we had was the bearish divergence. Again, if you're in the Discord, I did go on the crypto ideas and charts and told you guys why Bitcoin could move down. And today I was driving the whole day, so that's why I was not able to chart anything. Sorry, prepare for war. I know you asked for something, man. I was unable to do it. I was in the car. Anyways, look at this, right? Bearish divergence. Downside, 61,195. Managed to reclaim all-time highs, then we could go higher. But we're already looking for movement to downside. 4-hour chart, right? Bearish divergence. We're going down to the blue support line. If it breaks it, we could go to 61,195. We're already looking for those lows, right? We're slightly below those lows. That's fine. We're still trying to get above them. It's all good. We can move violently. In Binance US, I heard it went down as $8,000. Wasn't that crazy? Imagine you had a position there. All of a sudden, you got that much money. Sansarismo, what is up, my friend? Thank you very much for being here. Do I have my what's ups here? There you go. It's gonna go in a second. Come on. There we go. So, going down. It's all good. We're bought at 61.71, right? Bearish divergence, that's it. We're cooling off a little bit here. We knew we were overbought. Bearish divergence, action to downside. It's all good. Troll coin reached half a penny yesterday. Ooh, that is good. Thank you very much for the kind donation. Much appreciated. I'm still working on the... Well, I was not able to work anything on this weekend, but I'm still working on getting new things to come out when donations come through. But I really appreciate that, man. I'll give you an thank you very much, man.
Thank you very much.
Thank you very much for that. Much appreciated. Bearish divergence, right on the 4-hour. We also talked about that action downside, going for the blue line. If we break it, what do we know? Short-term bearish. Where we went? Short-term bearish. And we're dropping. Trying to reclaim again this area. It's been acting as resistance. Not once, twice, but 3 times so far. Can we break above it? That's going to be a good question. This is currently our trend line resistance. We need to get above this line. I'm just going to switch here to blue. And if we do get above this line, then we could be okay. It will put us in a short-term bull trend again. Below that line, we still could face rejection. The longer it takes for us to go to that line and try to break it, the more we could move down. Why am I saying that? Well, if we go here, hit, and reject, we might be able to come here. Maybe not to the same low, but then try to reclaim again, right? But if we don't do that, if we move sideways here, rejecting this area, first of all, this area being unable to get above that line, right, 61,195, could lead us to where we drop here, right? And so there's 2 ways we could do that. One is we just keep on rejecting, we move down. The other one, we move sideways. We catch up to this line. We hit it, reject, and move down, right? So those are moves that Bitcoin could do if it fails to reclaim above 61,195 and even get above that blue line I just drew. I do believe that's going to be a trend line resistance, at least for now. We have 1-2 touch points there, a couple of rejections on the wicks. All right, so there are moves Bitcoin could do. Now, where can we go here also, right? Well, let's say we do move down, right? We try to reclaim, fail, drop, right? So we could be losing the 59,000. If we lose 59,000, could be looking for 55,000, right? Not what we want to see. I changed the line by accident, so let's get this back on the blue. There we go. It's all good. Now, the good thing was until we started to move down a lot more violently. We had some hidden divergence. I think we might still be holding on to it. It's just barely there. It's not going to be something I'm going to be banking on heavily, but we do have this hidden divergence here, right? Low point, higher point, hidden bullish, and then negative, more negative, right? We're also coming lower on the RSI. So with that hidden bullish divergence, we could be looking for some of that action to the upside, right? Stagnation to happen. We know that. We talk about it all the time. Look at this neutral, 41.93. Also go check out the 1 hour chart. See what we have there. I feel like my voice sounds like a DJ right now. I've been talking too much in the convention. It's talking too loud. So yeah, my voice is kind of gone. But it sounds sexy. But it sounds sexy as hell, man. It's all good. All right, man. Why is this light going silent? Oh, there we go. Got a light into my face. All right, let's keep rolling, man. Where we had here? Last time we were looking at this bullish divergence. Oh my goodness, bumped on it. We fell to 20, rejected, came down. Trade above 20, rejected, right? Nothing bearish happening on the move down here on the 1 hour. Now we do have strong bullish on the 1 hour. Strong bullish divergence. Look at this. Ooh. I just feel like my voice is making nice little sound to your ears. This is crypto ASMR. So crypto, I'm feeling so good. Let's keep rolling here, man. Anyways, look at this. Hidden bullish. Not hidden, strong bullish. Strong bullish divergence, potential fraction to the upside. We're pumping. We got above 60,801. Now we're trying to get above 61,195. But look at this. Right? Look at this resistance that we're getting. Once, twice, 3 times, 4 times, 5 times. It is a resistance, guys. That's why it's important. That's why it's important. Anyways, that's what we have. We don't have anything bullish except for this strong bullish. And we just need for it to play out. Target 20 moving average. We can get above 61,195. 61,195 is a target. Getting above that area could be aiming for that 20 moving average. 61,716. Yeah. 61,716. That's a target. Those are targets. Right, getting above that 20 moving average, we could target in this area here. It could be an area where we could find potential resistance. Again, Bitcoin here is at prices on price discovery mode. We don't have history at this level. So is it going to be a resistance here? Does it match with something? If I go to the wick, does it match with something, right? Is it here that we just came up, did a U-turn and dropped? So, all right. So if we look at possibilities, and I'm just going to draw this one says raise. Reason for that is because they're still not confirmed. So we're just going to go with that. And we're going to go with this also here, right? Look at that. Those could be resistance to the upside, 63,647 and 64,305, right? So watch out for those as we start to move up. They might pose as sort of resistance here. Again, we can see that we hit this area, rejected slightly, then burst through. And then moving down, we kind of held support before we came back up. We'd also be looking at lines here. Then up here at the all-time high, which what I'm going to do here, this is the all-time high, right? So that's going to stay as a line because it could provide some kind of support. But what I'm going to be drawing now is going to be a horizontal. It's usually Alt-H, and I usually just tag it like that. We'll go here, do Alt-H, we'll get our line. So I'm going to pinpoint this one to price, current price, but first I'm going to turn this one to blue. Or not blue, white, and then we'll know it's going to be our target. And this one can remain yellow. It'll be at all-time high, and then we can just check for all-time high, which is here, 66,994.72. 994.72. There we go. So that is a current all-time high for Bitcoin. That's the price we need to get to. Get above that area, right? Fasan, what's up, dude? Oh, no, that is it for Bitcoin. Let's move on to Ethereum. Ethereum at $4,019. Ethereum's like reclaiming like champ. Went up 1.27%, man. Did Ethereum make all-time highs? No. It didn't. It was weak. It didn't make all-time highs. It got very close to them. Right? It got very close to them. For some reason, my all-time high. Like, I hate using trading via my phone. It shifts a lot of things around. Not the most reliable for charting. But it's okay, I guess, right? Highest point, 43.80.64. Need to adjust this. 43.80. 0.64. All right, so we got a all-time high. We didn't get there. We know that, right? We're very, very close to it. 4,375. Very, very close. Strong bearish divergence building at resistance, right? Chance for action to downside. Remember I talked about that? I put it in the Discord. I also said that. I said Ethereum daily. Remember? Ethereum daily. Strong bearish divergence at Q resistance. 4,192. I had it slightly higher. Because above that target, it has a possibility to hold the all-time high, 3,497. Bringing below this level could have Ethereum further line support. So trend line support we're looking for. And we did, so it's pretty good, right? Pretty good here. We're looking at some of these moves, right? We're also talking about movements to the downside, right? Target right now would be somewhere around here. This blue line, right? Then the 20 moving average, and then 3,641. So not bad for Ethereum, doing okay. Again, failed to get above this line, right? This blue line here, 4,192. Right, that's the one we had here on the daily. The strong bearish resistance, 4,192. Right, get to the all-time high. It's all good, no worries. Ethereum doing okay right now, starting to recover. So bearish divergence going down. We have not broken that support line. We're still above it. We're still fighting to stay above it. We wicked it once, twice. Right now, we're wicking it and trying to push away from it. With that, we could be aiming to break that $4,192 mark. We are bought at 62.81. Let's go to the 4 hour, man. I mean, there's really not a lot developing there on the daily. So here, what do we have? We have hidden bullish. Could we play up that? I believe we might. I think we do. Let's go LT. There we go. All right, so the line goes like this. So I'm sure it's just gonna stay here with us on the cool 4 hour chart. I don't want to hang out with the young kids on the 1 hour. It's like, I'm the 4 hour pool, man. All right, so here we go. Bullish divergence. Action to the upside, right? Hidden bullish. Starting to go up. We're gonna meet the 20 moving average. That will be our target. That 20 moving average sitting at $4,046. Now, what happens there is gonna be key. If we reject, we could be going lower. If we manage to get above that area, we could be aiming for that retest of 4,192. But if we reject, really, I'm thinking that we might be going at least to retest this level. I mean, it could be a possibility that rejecting that 20 could get us to where we go to 3,735, particularly if Bitcoin starts to feel bearish. If Bitcoin stagnates, Ethereum might be able to recover. If Bitcoin feels bearish, man, is he going to be putting a hurting on crypto. Neutral. 51.98, right? That is it. We don't have anything else going on here. Hidden bullish here also on the other side. No, we don't. That's it. On that note, let's move on to the awesome. Wait, do we have bearish divergence here? We did. We did have bearish divergence. Oh my goodness, check this out. There we go. All right, so this was after I did the thing on the Discord. So we didn't have it then. We had it afterwards. Great. Do we even have it? I think I'm gonna have to measure. 35.59, 38. No, it's actually going higher. Jeez, we don't have. There we go. Let's go to the 1 hour chart. On the 1 hour, what do we have there? Bearish divergence, action downside. We did move down. Again, rejecting near key areas, right? Look at this, very, very close to hitting the all-time high. But guess what happened there, guys? Guess what happened? Can you see it? Can you spot it? Oh, the divergence. Still there. Still played. All right, there we go. Strong bearish. Look at that. Just from one island to the next. Well, we should want to anchor, right? With that action to downside, we dropped that 20. Boop, dropping once. Trying to bounce into 20. So we kind of tagged alongside it, but not strong enough to really move far away from it, particularly with the way Bitcoin was feeling. So we dropped down again. Now we're creating strong bullish, and I kind of like that. Strong bullish divergence usually gets us to go for action to the upside, right? Let's anchor this one here. Let's have this happy line here on the 1 hour chart, and let's get it going here as well. And there we are, neutral, 46.67. That is it for Ethereum. Let's go check out DOT. I think it was an actual request for DOT here on the ideas and charts, so I'm gonna have to check it out also. Fibonacci in the 4 hour, right? Yeah, we can do that. All right, so what's going on here with DOT on the daily? Like bearish divergence, I think. Yeah, bearish divergence. Look, we haven't even looked. I didn't even look at the chart, but I could assume there was some kind of bearish divergence at play. Here we go. Finicky bearish divergence. Action downside, down a bit. Not trying to reclaim, it's good. We're still below the previous high, but we're still going to be making bearish divergence even if we try to go higher. Now we are coming from a high point to a higher point, and we can still anchor from the highest point here to a lower point. Right? So dragging from the longer moves, we can still say that against the RSI, we're still having bearish divergence strong. We're bought at 66.11. Again, just watch out for potential pressure on the price. On DOT, it's recovering good. It's recovering better than a lot of the other coins. It hasn't reached its all-time high closing, and that'll be at $47.94. Near that area. Let's go check out the 4 hour. All right, so here I want to check if I have another DOT. I have DOT against Bitcoin. All right. So fibs here. Should we update fibs? I think our fibs are still good. We could update fibs. We could update fibs for this. Why am I going to update fibs? I'll tell you in a second. We're going to update fibs. But we're going to update them on the daily. Alright. And they're going to very likely going to work on the 4 hours. Or close enough to work on the 4 hour. But from the high point to the lowest point, we are retracing. Again, getting very close to 100% retrace. So, again, we can see that we hit this 50% retrace, came back down. Hit the 618, came back down. Hit almost that 786. Retrace all the way to the 50 and then climb back up. And right now we're using that 786 here as support at $40. So that's pretty good. 4 hour, man. Let's zoom out a bit here. Show the party. It's not here. It didn't come through. Great. All right. So they're going to be anchoring on their own time frames. That's pretty good. That's pretty solid. I could work with that. All right. So let's get the fibs here, man. From the highest point to the lowest point. And this one I'm just going to... Yeah, that's close enough. There we go. All right, so fibs, they work the same, man. I mean, it's still the same thing. Getting above that 786, we're okay. So fibs are doing good, man. We're almost retracing to 100%. Now, once we get above 100%, we're gonna be targeting that that 1618 at $71.47. Hopefully, we can get there, right? Hopefully, we can get there. But on the 4 hour, man, strong bearish divergence against the MACD. The MACD is having strong bearish divergence, and we had the possibility for action to the downside. Look at that. Got to move it down. There we go. All right, here we go. Strong bearish moving down, hitting the 20, trying to bounce. It's all good. Neutral. 55.98. Let's go to the 1 hour chart. By the way, guys, if you want to catch up with me, do it today and tomorrow. I want to be out of town next week. Remember. Work-related travel. Yay. I do like to travel from work. But not this week. I didn't want to travel this next week. I kind of wanted to be here because I've been missing from the stream quite a bit now. And I, like I said, I really want to turn this into my main gig. And for that, I need to give it the time it deserves. But, you know, shit. The work is what's paying the bills right. So, whenever YouTube pays the bills, it's going to be good. Trading, it's fun. Trading helps with that, by the way. Do we hear anything here that's bullish? There we go. No, nothing here that's bullish. There we go. Bearish divergence. Strong action to downside. And down. I'm assuming here. Make sure we don't have it. Coming slightly lower, man. I think here on the other side we might have it. Yeah, hidden bullish against the other side. There we go. See, sometimes when they're all flat like this, it's a little bit trickier to see. But I checked and we were definitely coming in very, very slightly lower. So hidden bullish. We had the possibility for action to the upside going for the 20 moving average. We're heading for it. It's all good. Also, I got this cool Yeti thermos from one of the convention providers. One of the service providers of the convention. They're pretty cool. They always hook me up with some really, really cool gear. But this Yeti thermos. Hey man, come on, you cannot say no to a Yeti thermos. It's free. It keeps the drinks really nice and cold. Neutral, 51.97. That's it for DOT here in the 4 hour. On the 1 hour. Bullish divergence trying to rally. It's all good. Nothing bearish happening afterwards. Right, high to low, positive, negative, high to low. We're about to get across the MACD over the signal line. Hey man, might be a good entry here. It's going to get us to start making positive momentum. Could potentially get above the 20. We got to watch for that, man. If we fail the 20, we reject. Could be coming back down. We have the hidden bullish. It's not going to be strong enough, but, you know, we could try to stay above it and come here and then pump again, right? We'll see. That's for DOT. Let's go check out ADA. ADA at $2.15. Ooh, nice. Look at that. ADA still in a triangle. Still consolidating. Ain't it insane? We talked about consolidation. We did this a long time ago. It just feels like forever that's been there moving sideways. $2.15. Hey man, it's doing a lot. Nothing bearish, nothing bullish. Let's go to the 4 hour. On the 4 hour, ADA. Low, high, or positive. Higher, nothing bearish. Low, high, negative, less negative. Low, high. Nothing bullish. Man, ADA is just freaking boring, dude. It's not really doing a lot. Oh, man. Yeah, I'm not sure. Do I want to consider this to be a double bottom? I mean, we could say this is a double bottom, but we're failing to go higher, so I'm just going to say we're consolidating, man, just like we were on the daily, right? Let's go to the 1 hour. 8 on the 1 hour. Look at this. Resistance line there at the top. Unable to break it. All right. High to low. Positive, less positive, right? So from here to here, there was bearish divergence. I wasn't here for this trade, by the way. This was one of the days I was in convention, but this happened. Right, this bearish divergence was there. That's the reason that we started to move down. Right? Look at that. The bearish divergence is real. Move this down. Fall support. Pumped a bit. Got above the 20s. Probably on hidden bullish. Yes, hidden bullish. Once I zoomed out, I was able to see it. The hidden bullish divergence gives us to the 20 moving average. To 20 moving average, we got there. We're coming back down. Low to high, negative, less negative. Low to high, neutral at 46.18. That's it. We're going to try to get to that 20 again. I mean, that's probably the move. Nothing bearish, nothing bullish. Consolidation. Yeah, not doing a lot right now. I mean, watch out for a breakout, right? Consolidation is boring, but that's when you get breakouts. And particularly when you're doing triangle consolidation, you're not going to get a lot of divergence. You just got to wait for the break. So that's it. That's all I can tell you to do for ADA, man. Wait for the break. Let's do Nikon or NKN, whatever that is. Sounds like Nikon. Like Nikon. Nikon. It is Nikon on the stocks. But we're looking at the crypto Nikon. Ha! There we go. We have looked at this one before. Right on. High to low. Alright, hidden bearish. You got this at 446. Alright, so you're getting very close. Alright. It had massive pullback. It's all good. Hidden bearish. We have fifths for it, so we did this a while back, probably. Look, last time we did this. Bullish. Pumped. Alright, that's the last time we have for this. Bearish divergence, actually downside. It's hidden bearish. When it's down, we should be aiming for that 20. We haven't hit it. We could be going for that, 618 retrace here. Or, yeah, 618 at 50 cents. 50.19. There's really not a lot going on here. I mean, all I am able to trace here is going to be the support line. That goes like that. That's it. Trend line support. Yay. It's a party. A trend line support line. That's it. We're starting to lose that momentum, man. Going to negative momentum. Could be aiming to hit at least a support line. Neutral. Sorry. Yeah, neutral 59.99. Let's go to the 4 hour. See what we have there. On the 4 hour, we're consolidating down sloping. Great. Still coming lower. Less negative momentum. Good stuff. The 4 hour chart. We're not getting above it though. Struggling. 20 moving average at 45.93. We're at 45.94. All right, we're back below it again. So again, we're struggling with that 20. Neutral. Or 9.81. That's it. Nothing bearish before that. We just started to come back down. Probably in the bearishness that we had on the daily. So coming down. Strong bullish. Gonna try to get us to pop. So we can get above this area, man. Did I crash or something? Why y'all saying F? What? Oh. Thanks, I guess. I didn't notice. Thanks for letting me know. I haven't dropped frames. That is weird. I can show you here. Drop frames, 0. According to this, I'm streaming okay. It's weird stuff, right? Anyways, thanks. All right. So in the 4-hour, strong bullish, potential fraction upside. We're hitting that 20 moving average, trying to get above it. See how this keeps going. Neutral. 49.22. Let's go to the 1-hour chart. On the 1-hour, coming lower. Less negative. Strong bullish divergence here as well. And with that, the action to the upside. We're moving higher. Isn't that great? It's awesome. We're moving higher. We are moving higher. I'm not sure why doing that voice reminded me of one of my friends. When we were playing baseball, we used to mess around saying that his mom used to scream at him, "Get the ball, Joey! Get the ball!" It's all good. It's all fun and games. Hidden bearish. Look at that. Potential fraction of downside. We could start to put some pressure on the price. We might get rid of it, though. Very, very close to getting rid of it. So, just going above this previous high here. And that is going to be at 45.91 cents. We could be aiming to undo this hidden divergence. That's going to be it for Nikon. Let's go check out Elon. Elon. Where the Elon at? Where the party at, Elon? I think I actually held this one briefly. Made some money on it. Oh, Elon's not doing bad. Elon's not doing bad. I kind of regret not getting in here at this level, 7 cents. If I had a chance, I was just like, oh man, this price is going nowhere. It took a good pump, man. It took a good pump. If that is there, where the Shiv at? Shiv's more or less stagnant. Alright, cool. I'm just looking at the price. Alright. So we're pumping up, we're flagging this doing okay. Nothing here that is bearish right now. Alright, it's fine. There's really not a lot going on here. We could fib it, I think. And we might be hitting a retrace zone. So highest point to the lowest point. Or close enough. Are we above that? Yo, we wicked it. We wicked at 36 retrace. We're not above it yet. So we're still not making it out retrace. So Elon could be doing good. He doesn't have a coin. It's called Elon Doge. Doge Elon Mars or whatever this is. People picking things that Elon wants to do. You got into Elon at 20. That's pretty good. I had gotten into Elon way back here. And I remember I played it somewhere around this area, I think. Maybe. Made some nice profits on it. I think I doubled my money and then I got like 50% out or some weird stuff like that. It was a while back. I already closed that trade. It's out of my books. And after that, I just kept on going downhill here. And it's finally starting to pick back up. That's pretty good, man. I really wish I could have gotten here at 5 cents. Or like 0.55, 0.00005 or whatever. Yeah, that's it, bro. That's it, Andrew. That's how you do it, right? You let the moon back run. You take out your capital. You take out your principals. You can invest it in something else. You should play with the profits. You're playing with the house money. But you should always consider when you're going to be taking out some of your profits. Because look, if you take out some of your profits, you can invest in other things, right? And you can still leave some of that there so I can keep on running to the moon. So just remember that. It's always good to diversify. Anyways, there's really not a lot going on here on the daily. Let's go to the 4-hour, man. Look high. What was this closing here? 0.065 and 0.065. So we're moving sideways here. So we'll move sideways there. And we're coming in lower here. Guess what that tells us? Guess what that is? Can someone tell me what type of divergence we have in here? The price is going flat and the oscillator's coming down, right? Don't say bearish divergence. It is a type of bearish divergence. What type of bearish divergence are we having? If you believe this is strong bearish divergence, type 1. If you believe this is medium bearish divergence, type 2. If you believe this is weak bearish divergence, type 3. And if you believe it's hidden, type 4. Strong 1, medium 2, weak 3, hidden 4. Let me know what type of divergence you think, guys, we're having here. I'm intrigued. I want to see how much you guys are learning. Anderson's hidden bearish. Jake says the moon. Fasan says 5. That's not even in the cards, Fasan. You're just guessing. You get failed, my friend. I'm kidding. The moon rockets is not. A mate came back with lemonade. Yo, come on, guys. We talk about divergence all the time. Price is flatlining. You're going down on the indicator. Look at this. The answer is Jeff says 4. Nope, not hidden. All right, so I tell you what, it's not hidden divergence. You're flatlining your price. You're not, like, remember, hidden divergence. Oh no, I changed coins. Hidden divergence looks like this. You're coming down on your price and you're going up on your oscillator, right? So here we'll be going up and here we'll be coming down. That's hidden divergence. We're not doing that. Six is not an answer. All right, I'll tell you guys. We're doing 2. We're doing medium. Our price line is flatlining, right? We're going to the same high. So here are the closing, right? Closing there. 0.000065. 0.000065, right? So again, medium. No, not weak. Medium bearish. Weak would be you going higher on your price and then your oscillator flatlining, right? So here we'll be going sideways on the MACD or the RSI like that. Right. There we go. All right, so medium bearish divergence, potential fraction downside, bringing it to 20. Then we created now a hidden bullish here, right? Hidden bullish divergence, sir, for potential action to the upside. Went up, hit the 20. Rejected briefly, trying to overtake the 20 again. It's a good move. It's not bad. Here we also have this hidden divergence, right? Look at that. Bam, blam. Neutral, 56.46, right? Getting above that 20 moving average. High to low, positive, high to low. Neutral at 56.46 again. Going up, hitting the 20, trying to overtake it. If we do get above this previous high here, very good chance we might be trying to go for this high. 0.000065. Not bad. Let's go to the 1 hour. Go to 1 hour yield. And now the stuff from the 4 hour came over to the 1. Looks like someone forgot to answer. Yay. Great. Oh, by the way, guys, y'all seen the trailer for Spider-Man? That looks pretty dope. I saw the second trailer for Spider-Man. I saw Spider-Man, not Spider-Man. Look, there were a couple Spider-Man floating around. That was pretty dope. I like that. That was a pretty good trailer. I also saw Venom there. That's gonna be cool if they get like Spider-Man's and Venom in the same movie. Not like the old Venom from the old one, but Venom from, like, you know, Tom Hardy Venom. It's gonna be good, man. It's gonna be good Venom. High to low. Positive. Less positive. High to low as well. So nothing here that is bearish. Low to high, negative, less negative, low to high. So here we can consider this to be consolidation. At least we can here, right? So here, this is looking like, we could say it's like this. I don't want to say we're breaking yet, but I just want to highlight the trend that I'm looking at right now. Be like this, and then this could be like that, right? Oh. Bearish divergence, potential fraction downside. So the trailer for Uncharted looks good. Nice. I heard there's gonna be 2 Batmans in the Flash movie. They're gonna have Michael Keaton come back as Batman, and Ben Affleck as Batman again. It's gonna be a pretty good movie, man. I wonder, like, Michael Keaton's old, so I want to see how he looks as Batman. I'm Batman. Anyways, that is it here for Elon, right? Consolidating. Not a lot happening there. Oh, let's go back to the corn. Well, let's go back to corn bits. Corn, 0.65. Again, still rejecting a zone that we want to be above, right? There was an Injustice movie. Was it a cartoon, though? I haven't seen any Injustice stuff. I only want to see Justice, not Injustice. Here, look at this. 1 hour Ethereum. Trying to overtake that 20. I'm bullish, divergence strong. Hey, yo, is your fever? Happy Friday. What's up, my friend? Thank you very much for being here. Thank you very much for being here. Cartoon animated. Yeah. All right. That's why I haven't seen it. I want to watch that someday then. All right, I want to watch that someday. I'm not gonna lie and say that. Injustice was a good game. Good game to play. What else do you guys want to talk about? What else do you guys want to talk about? You can chill here 10 more minutes before we call it stream for tonight. Remember, stream tomorrow night, Saturday. No streams Sunday till Friday, hopefully. Hopefully next Friday I'm back in town. We're able to do a stream. Otherwise, no stream until Saturday, hopefully. It's going to be hit and miss. After that trip is done, very likely there's going to be another trip I'm going to have to go to. I believe that one's going to be a little bit shorter, but it's still going to be a couple more days I'm going to be out. I just don't know when. This client has a lot of mining operations. This is the biggest one of the biggest mining companies, right? It's one of the biggest mining companies in Mexico, so that'll be pretty interesting. I'm going to be traveling then to all the mines they have in Sonora, and then afterwards I might be going to the mines that they have in the U.S. because they're own Asarco mines, and they have a couple mines near Tucson. They also have a smelter for copper there, where they're doing they have an electrowinning plant where they're actually doing copper cathodes, and then they're sending that to Texas to do copper wire. So I'm gonna be visiting those plants as well, and then whatever they have in Mexico City, in the northern part of Sonora, for the other mines. So I'm waiting on this company to give us the rest of the schedule. We'll see how that goes. We shall see how that goes. Am I engineer? No, business dev. But I work a lot with the mining companies, yeah. Mines and inside trading? No, I don't inside trade. Thanks. I do get to have a lot of information though, which is pretty good. I mean, there's a lot of stuff that happens in the mining industry, like, kind of like why copper and zinc are going up. There's gonna be some squeezes or shortages happening on zinc. That's why they've been rising. Copper has been rising as well. Lead has been rising as well. But it's pretty good. Yeah. I've been working with mining industries for the longest time. I used to be trading for commodities, hard commodities within the mining industry, right? So I was buying copper, zinc, and lead, gold, silver, or like iron ore, aluminum, coal, so energy metals as well, right? Cokes, like pet coke, and things like that. Gas prices are sky high right now. Are they? Where's gas? We haven't looked at petroleum in a while. $85. All right. Not bad in oil. Y'all remember when we were saying getting to oil back when it was really, really low? Y'all remember when I said getting to oil when it was back here on April 2020? I said, oh, this is getting for oil. I mean, you're not getting the same returns as with crypto, but at least you're at least 400% up if you would have gotten in here when we said. All right, look at that oil. Where you at, right? 345. Not bad. I remember this curve of boringness, and then this rally, and then stagnation level slightly. Finally moving up. It's not doing good. It's not doing bad. Or it's not doing bad. It's doing good. We're expecting to go even higher. Yeah, we'll see. We'll see. It's gonna be interesting. Well, oil's an interesting commodity to trade. I never done oil, not on physical commodities trading. But yeah, metals. Yeah, I used to be. That's why I used to do when I was in Glencore, trading metals. When I was doing Margaret Investments, also as head trader for Mexico, doing metals. That was a lot of fun. Super stressful, but a lot of fun. Dow Jones going up. Dow Jones making all-time highs, man. The Dow Jones. Davy Jones locker. Dow Jones locker. Bearish divergence probably somewhere. No, we don't. All right, cool. We can go higher. Well, we haven't done the Dixie. Let's go do the dollar index. Going higher, coming higher, and going higher. Shorter term here, bearish divergence, moving it down. Oh no. The dollar index is going down. Yeah. Where's that stock market crash everyone has been promising us on the 13-year cycles? All right. I haven't seen it. You all heard it before. I heard it before plenty of times. All right. That's it for the dollar index. Let's go to the weekly real quick. If there's anything here that we should be worried about. Bearish divergence. We had that a couple weeks ago. Right? We haven't moved this. And on that note, look at that. Oh, we're starting to come down. Oh, it's bearish divergence, man. That's why. That's why we're going down, right? Nice. It's cold. What else are we gonna do? Oh snap! We're about due for time. Let's pull back time on time. Hey, Bitcoin on the weekly. It's starting to go red on bearish divergence. Oh no. Hopefully we can pump more, man. Don't we do that sometimes? We get to all-time highs like we did here, and then we pull back. Hopefully we don't get something like this. But I mean, in all fairness, where we're at right now on the weekly, we could be doing a double top of sorts. If we go with the bodies, at least where we're at right now, I believe we're going to be very, very close. So from here to here, we're looking at a 2.11% rally. So with the bodies, we could say, yo, we could be in bearish. Sorry, not bearish territory. We already have bearish territory strong on double top territory. And then from here to here, we could also say, yo, look, this is a 3% rally from wick to wick. Still less than 5%. We can also say that we're in double top territory. I really hope we're not doing double top, because that could mean that we could break down. We could go all the way down here and then break some more, right? Hopefully that's not going to be the case. I don't want to see Bitcoin crashing and burning and then everyone crying. Oh, Bitcoin's going down. I can't handle it. I know. What did I do there? Here we go. But I put my life savings in Bitcoin. Now it's going down. Oh, please, why? Don't do that. Don't do that. You don't want to put more than you're willing to risk. Remember that. You only place what you're willing to risk here. What you're willing to risk and lose. If you make it, you're good. If you don't, that's it. All right? So, guys, on that note, I am going to be starting to sign off here, guys. I really enjoy being here. I really enjoy doing the streams. I really, really wish I could turn this into a full-time thing, doing YouTube. Hopefully this channel will take off and be like skyrocketing to the moon. Yeah. Who knows, right? Anyways, guys, on that note, I'll be here tomorrow. I'm going to be here on Sunday and then until the rest of the week. I might be able to post stuff in the Discord if it's important. Very important that you go to the Discord. Go to the link that's pinned on top of the chat, right? Very, very important key stuff that we post there when stuff's happening. Before stuff happens, right? Like before the drop that we're getting. Anyways, thank you for joining me tonight. If you like what we do, you know what to do. Talk about crypto to your friends, to your family, to your coworkers. Let them know that we are here. This is TSO Crypto. This is So Crypto. So Crypto. I'm your host, Martin. It's a pleasure being here with you guys tonight on this awesome Friday night. Remember, all the information that we're providing here is for entertainment and educational purposes only. Please do not trade based on what you see here. We're just discussing ideas. This is not financial advice. I am not a financial advisor. That said, thank you guys for watching, and I'll catch you again tomorrow for another edition of So Crypto. Till then.